Hello everyone. In like the previous video, I explained you how the autofill is working in iOS side. Now in this video, I will explain you how the autofill work in Android side. So in iOS it is like very simple, but in Android it's little bit tricky. Like we have to do some additional things, additional steps in Android side. Okay. So let's discuss one by one. So for the Android side, we are using two packages. Okay. So the one package will be this one. Uh, Twilio lit items and then Reactivity Autop input. You can use any other item, your other package for that. Basically, this package is used to create this. In the mobile side, you will see this input box. Okay. So basically this package is used to design this input field, and the next package will be React Native OTP verified. Okay, so basically I use this package to create a hash key. See why we need hash key, because in Android side, whenever in iOS side, whenever we are getting an OTP, so it is come on the top of the input field, input keyboard. Like if I click on that, then a keyboard will be open, and on the top of that the OTP will be there in iOS side. But in Android side, this is not that kind of behavior. So in Android we create a hash key. So we just have to give that hash key. We just have to create that hash key, give that hash key to the backend team. So whenever they are sending me, whenever they are sending an OTP to the mobile, so they just append that hash key with that OTP, and then it will be work. So I will explain you. Okay, no worry. So I use this package to create a hash key. Again, this OTP length will be defined the length of that input box, and yeah, this is the code. So whenever I'm writing something 1 2 3 4, it will be keep into this one, this state. Is field is something like whenever it is fully completed, then this is field become true. Android hash key, which is used whenever I create a hash key, so I'm storing that hash key to in over there. Okay, you just create a hash key for the first time. Okay, after that you can remove this code. No need to keep this code in our code. Handle code change, this function is used uh, for like set the value, where if I type 1234, then it will set 1234 into our code state. Okay, so I use this one. Second will be for only for the Android specific. If it is like Android, then it will return true. uh, okay, if it is not Android, for example it is for the iOS, it is automatically simple, so that's why I use this one. So it is only work, this use effect is only work uh, if it is Android device. So yeah, this is the condition. So you just copy that use effect and use in your code. Okay, I hope it is very clear for you. So it will be very easy for you to write the code. Okay, so yeah, so is mounted, are you sorry, sorry. So let is mount is become true. So I created hash key via this package, so I just import that package, and there is a method uh, called as get hash key. So I just call that get hash key. It will be stored into our this use effect. Also meanwhile I'll just console that hash key. Let me show you what is the hash key. So if I run the debugger, okay, opening my, okay, so this is the hash key. You will see this is the hash key, Android receive SMS or this. So you just copy that hash key, send it to our backend team. Okay, I will explain you how you will use that hash key. So you just send that hash key to the backend or keep in our note editor. Okay, so I'm keeping this hash key in my note editor. Once you received your hash key, there is a listener. Okay, so when you log in and come into the OTP page, then automatically that listener will be a call. Okay, and it will listening your SMS, whether you are getting an OTP or not. And when you move to the next screen, okay, or back it, that time that listener will be call, and the OTP listener will be stopped. This is a UI part. Okay, so via that code I just created that UI, and this is the normal text input field. I hope everything will be the clear so far. Now I will demonstrate you how it is working. So in Android side, you have a three dot icon. Just click on that, and in the left side you will see a phone. Okay, you just click on that phone, location phone, and the phone there is an option for SMS message. So you can use your custom SMS message over there and just click on send. Okay, so for if I click this, so you will see the send message will be come over there. So I'm creating a dummy message. For example, your OTP is 123123, and at the last you will tell your backend team, then please attach that hash key in the bottom or anywhere. Okay, no issue. So whenever see, if I click on send message, it will automatically fill that OTP into that field. So I'm just sending. See, OTP come. Okay. Let me close that application. Yeah, see, the actually I did not refresh it, that way that error is occurring. So in this time, if I send it, automatically that message will OTP will be filled. Let me refresh this one again and open it. This time the OTP will be reverse order 654321. Sending. Yeah, see, it is automatically filled. So, and one more thing which you have to remember, which is very important. Okay, so in Android, whenever you are creating a hash key, so so it is your debug hash key. So you have two things, release or debug. So how you will get this is the debug one. Okay, this is the debug one. How you will get the release hash key? This is a very important thing. So in order to get the release hash key, you just do alert message, alert dot alert. Okay, and then you just do a hash.